Spider silk is often considered stronger than steel in certain respects, due to its unique structure and the properties of the proteins it contains. Here's how spider silk achieves such incredible strength. Protein structure and composition. Spider silk is composed of proteins called spidroins that are arranged in a repeating pattern of crystalline and amorphous regions. The crystalline regions are highly organized and contribute to the silk's strength, while the amorphous, more flexible regions provide elasticity. These proteins form tight hydrogen bonds, which create a strong and flexible molecular network capable of withstanding tension. High tensile strength. Tensile strength is the measure of a material's resistance to being pulled apart. Spider silk has a tensile strength comparable to that of steel on a per-weight basis. It's able to withstand high levels of stress without breaking, which is particularly useful for catching prey or withstanding wind forces. 3. Energy absorption. Spider silk can absorb more energy before breaking compared to steel, which makes it highly resistant to impacts. For instance, a web can absorb the impact of a flying insect without tearing, an impressive feat for such a thin material. 4. Lightweight and flexible. Despite its strength, spider silk is incredibly lightweight and has a flexibility that allows it to stretch without snapping. This property is what gives it a strength-to-weight ratio that can surpass that of steel. 5. Potential applications. Because of its unique properties, spider silk is being researched for applications in medical sutures, bulletproof vests, and artificial tendons. Scientists are even exploring bioengineering to produce synthetic spider silk for commercial uses. The combination of these qualities, strength, flexibility, and energy absorption, makes spider silk one of the most impressive materials found in nature.